go down the slide. Whee!
Was that fun?
Charge!
Okay. Help me, best friend, help!
There you go.
Thank you. Elmo, are you having fun?
Yeah!
Do you like hanging upside down?
Yeah, it's kind of weird, but cool too.
How is it weird?
Well, you see everything backwards.
Yep, that's true. Be back out inside. The bell just rang, okay?
Okay.
You're
Let's
way
go
off.
now.
I say you're way off this time, son.